Hello, this is Jeff from Ragic, and welcome to the latest edition of Ragic Office Hour. And today we have these three questions, which should be a fairly quick office hour session. And let's get started. Okay, first question, reports. Okay, I have continuously asked about all printed reports being made more readable using colors and bold fonts. If this is not possible, if you can at least increase the line weight between data fields when printed out. Yeah, well, this time this is a little bit more clear on what we can do. So, yeah, I think that's definitely something we can do to, we can make the lines more lines bolder and so that or more black so that when they're printed they're clearer and without affecting the current look of the reports on the screen. Okay, so you can just barely see them, making reports very difficult to read. Okay, yeah, I think this time you kind of explained the problem a lot more clearly. So I definitely think that this is something that we can improve on and actually pretty quickly. Yeah, so I think we will do something about the look of the report when it's printed. So that the report is here to read when printed. Okay, and maybe bold fonts, maybe in printed reports. What we intended to do is to change the printed report, but not change the reports on the screen by that much. The line weights. Okay. Yeah, and we really appreciate your feedback. And yeah, this time this is definitely something that we can do. Okay, pre-creating subtable data. I have a subtable, but must start with a few specific entries in the date with data in them. Is it possible to pre-create those subtable entries just like default values? Like I always order the maintenance fee and service charge in every order detail. Yeah, it's true that this is currently not possible, but this is definitely something we could consider in the future to have those as default values, or even like as Lincoln loaded fields, so that when you choose something from a non-subtable field, you can load them into the subtable. That has been something on our mind for a long time, but it's going to be a little bit complex, but that's definitely something that we can probably do. I'll check with our current related development tasks and see if there's some way we can support this sooner. Yeah, I think this could be a very useful feature, pre-creating some of the rows in the subtable. Plus, if we can do that, then we can probably find some way to do kind of a link and loading value to subtables. But only adding those default values are certainly simpler. Yeah, we'll probably support this before, using link and load to add those values. So yeah, and this is very helpful. Yeah, because previously we were thinking about doing it with link and load. So you doing it with default values could definitely be simpler. Okay, last question. Ragic 100% white label. I have tested the tool. For me, it's a great solution. Thank you. It has some level of customization, but it's not 100% white label. Ju- Just one level. Anyway, this only option in my case will make Ragic my solution for some customers and maybe for others too. Create a new plan option for this feature in the near future. Okay, yeah, we've heard about white labeling applications built with Ragic or white labeling Ragic a lot, and we've added quite a few features for you to customize the look and feel of your application. So it's definitely something we're moving toward, making Ragic more customizable so that you can more or less customize it, but um, it's hard to like do a complete makeover and make everything customizable and that you can white label. But it's definitely something that we're working toward. So we will be keep adding many other customized options so that we can make Ragic more customizable, which makes it more available for white labeling. So that is definitely something we'll be working toward on. And if you have some specific, you know, things that you would like to customize to make it like the most important thing that you would like to customize to make it possible for you to white label, feel free to let us know. And if it's not too hard, we can probably try to schedule it if a lot of users would like to customize the application this way. So, back on creating custom solutions, white labeling Ragic. We are dev. Right. Okay, yeah, thank you for your feedback, Frank. Okay. All right, and that's it for our questions for the Ragic Office Hour today. And feel free to use the Ragic Office Hour question sheet to ask your question about Ragic designs, or you have suggestions, or you have some usage case that you're interested in how we would design the application. Feel free to ask on the Ragic question sheet, and I'll talk to you guys again in 2 weeks. Goodbye.